Hello everyone, Namaskar, Rajkrishna this side, and we are solving one more problem from inequalities, and definitely we are going to learn something new. Apart from what we have learned, we will revise that with the help of this question and learn something extra in this problem as far as inequalities are concerned. So, let's look at this two brackets carefully. Can you see some similarities in this two bracket? If you are not finding it, see that again. Are you finding any similarity? If you say that I am not finding, let me show you. X square minus 6x is present in both the brackets. So while solving this type of inequalities, we can change this given inequality into a simpler inequality, because we are addicted to solving linear ones, x minus 2, x minus 3 less than 0, and things like that. So we can change this quadratic one to that linear one, solve it, and then come back to what we can solve. Okay, so what I'm saying is x square minus 6x plus 3. You can take the other bracket also. If I take this equal to any other variable t, so automatically can I write my other bracket in terms of t? Because this is plus 3, that is minus 2. That means first bracket is only a change of constant is there. First bracket is 5 times ahead of in terms of constant, not 5 times, 5 ahead of the second bracket. So my second bracket, if I see carefully, x square minus 6x minus 2, that I can say is t minus 5, because if I do t minus 5, I will get x square minus 6x minus 2 only. Clear? Now my inequality can be written as t times t minus 5 less than equal to 50. I hope you have solved problems like this. What our next goal will be is to take this 50 to the other side so that we get 0 on the RHS, because that's what we want, so that question is more simpler. So t into t minus 5 minus 50 less than equal to 0. Earlier this was in factorized form, but now it is not in factorized form. T minus 5 is fine, but minus 50 is making problem. So let's merge these three and refactorize it. Okay, so we can do just add this. This is what we let. Okay, so now t square minus 5t minus 50 is less than equal to 0. We can write this as t square minus 10t plus 5t minus 50 is less than equal to 0. Moving ahead, t common, t minus t, 10. So we get t minus 10 and t plus 5 less than equal to 0. So now this is the simplest form which we can expect the problem to be. Let's move ahead. What we do next? So when we have got our simplest form, what we do is draw a number line. So draw a simple number line. This will be enough. Then our next target will be to plot, equate brackets to 0 and plot them. So you'll get -5 and 10. So -5 is here and your 10 is here. The ends are plus infinity and minus infinity. Sign is that a problem, it will be plus minus plus, because it's the simplest case. When you are crossing 10, the bracket to which this belongs to has the power 1, and whenever power is odd we change the sign, so plus became minus. When you are crossing -5, which belongs to t plus 5 bracket whose power is 1, which is odd, so again you have to change sign, so plus. Okay, and you can also put values greater than 10 and find that this is greater less than equal to 0, and so on. You can do that also. Fine. Okay, so now we can move ahead and write our answer. If some of you say that if you put values greater than 10, that is 11 minus 10, that is giving you 1, and 11 plus 5, that is 16. Oh, this is not less than 0. What is the problem I am facing? Okay. Oh, this t was actually x square minus 6x plus 3. So I will have to put that t back, and then I will have to go in finding solution. So if I put that t back, which was x square minus 6x plus 3, minus 10 x square minus 6x and plus 3 plus 5. Now this becomes x square minus 6x minus 7 and x square minus 6x plus 8 less than equal to 0. Now if I factorize this, how can you do so? 6 I have to split, so minus 7x plus x, and here 4 and 2. So if I take x common, you will get x minus 7 and if you take 1 common, I will get x minus 7, and here if I take x common, I will get x minus 4, minus 2 common, I will get x minus 4. So x minus 7, x plus 1, x minus 4, x minus 2 less than equal to 0. This is what the final thing is there. Now we can draw the number line. So if I draw the number line now, so critical points are -1 is there, then we have 2, then we have 4, and then we have 7 also. plus infinity, minus infinity. Now if I check the sign, it will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now I have no problem, because if you put 8, 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 into 9. Positive till now. 8 minus 4 is 4. Again a positive thing, and 8 minus 2 is 6. All brackets is giving positive. Again, are we facing any problem? Let's see that if I'm putting value 8, 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. Why is this happening? X minus 4, x minus 2, x minus 7, x plus 1. Oh, I was always comparing this to this, but this sign are for just expression. Comparing to this will give the final answer. This is of course greater than 0, so we write here plus. Then for this, let's take 5, so you'll get minus 2, 6, 1 and 3. This is less than 0, so we write minus here. Sometime after doing a lot of hard work, you stuck in basics, so that's how. And then if I see where I was stuck earlier, this thing t minus 10 t plus 5, I will come to that. Let me write my solution first. So when I writing my solution, as they are asking for less than equal to 0, so all the negative reason, and this all 7 minus 1 plus 4 and plus 2, all of them will be a part of our answer, because none of them is making it not defined, because equality is there, and when you will put x equals to 7, this is overall expression is becoming equal to 0, so they will be accepted in our answer. So x belongs to, first reason is minus 1 to 2, and both minus 1 and 2 are included, so minus 1 to 2 union 4 to 7. Now this is my final answer. And let me check where I was stuck at this point. So t minus 10 t plus 5. So t minus 10 t plus 5. This is there, plus minus plus. If I take 11, you are getting positive. That's what it should be. Positive. If you are taking 6, you are getting negative and positive. That means negative. Yes, it should be. So from there also, you would have got the solution, but that solution would have been for t, not for x. There they are asking in the problem, solve for x. T is your thing, not predefined in the problem. So obviously you can't give answer straight away from this step, because from this step you will get answer in terms of t, what t is belonging to, but not x. So for x you have to back substitute the value of t, which was x square minus 6x plus 3, and then you have to report the answer like this. And do remember that on putting any of the value in the reason, suppose you are putting 8, the values for the expression, so accordingly we put sign, not for comparing with this. On comparing with this, we write solution. So if it is less than 0, solution will be this. If it would have been greater than equal to 0, solution would have been different. So that's how we did this problem. First time it took some space and a bit confused was there. I hope you were not confused if you're solving parallelly to me. So that's how we did. We took this as t. So the second bracket become t minus 5. Then rearrange it, refactorize. You got this. Then put back the value of t. Again factorize. You got this 4 factors. Then you can easily solve it. The final answer is x belong to -1 to 2 close bracket union 4 to 7 close. That's it from my side. You can solve more problems from this from my playlist on inequalities. Thanks again.